Leuven Review, my honest experience at Belgium's top university student life and insights. Leuven is often ranked among Europe's top universities, but what's it really like to study there? I recently spent time experiencing Leuven firsthand, and here's my honest review. Most people assume studying abroad is all about academics, but the surprising truth is that student life at Leuven is just as enriching. Located in the heart of Belgium, the university offers a vibrant campus, historic architecture, and a strong sense of community. Academically, Leuven is rigorous. I attended lectures in both English and Dutch, depending on the program, and professors are highly knowledgeable and approachable. The workload is challenging, but the university provides ample support through tutorials, study groups, and online resources. Research opportunities are excellent, especially in STEM and social sciences, with state-of-the-art labs and libraries. Student life is equally impressive. Leuven hosts over 100 student organisations, ranging from cultural clubs to sports teams. I joined a debate society and a hiking club, which helped me meet locals and international students alike. The city itself is student-friendly, with plenty of affordable cafes, bookstores and public transport. Housing can be competitive, but the university offers dormitories and helps students find private rentals. I recommend applying early to secure a spot. Costs are reasonable compared to other European universities, though Belgium's living expenses are something to budget for. The only challenge I noticed was the language barrier outside the campus. While English is widely spoken, learning basic Dutch phrases makes daily life smoother and more enjoyable. In conclusion, Leuven combines world-class education with a vibrant student experience. If you value rigorous academics, a multicultural environment, and engaging student life, Leuven is worth considering. From classrooms to clubs, it's an experience that goes beyond just earning a degree.